हेलो, हाय, नमस्ते एंड लोहरी की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, मकर संक्रांति की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. If I say a mother, what picture does come into your mind? Like a mother. What first picture? Is like a face, very innocent, very sattvic, and very loving, caring face of a lady who is in definitely must be in sari and wearing that tikli or bindi, and she's feeding her child or she's working in the kitchen. This is the image we have built about a motherly figure. Okay, and now is the time to change this definition or the image of a mother, because nowadays mother are not doing only those things. They are doing a lot many things. They are working in the offices, they are becoming a businesswoman, they are giving speeches, so they are becoming author, they are becoming like motivational speaker and what not. They have reached every area of any scope you have in the career, right? So we need to picturize, we need to see a mother like that also, not only doing some home or house chores. Okay, because housewives are the biggest and toughest task, I admit, because I'm seeing myself doing it every day and I see that it is not the easiest task. But with that, we also need to set a image of ourselves doing something different, because I know nowadays every mother, young mothers definitely want to do something for themselves. They are not enjoying the house chores, okay, the way previously our mothers used to love it, right? So we need to create. So that is what I'm doing right now for myself. I'm creating my own opportunities. If you are not able to get opportunities from outside the world, then you need to create it, right? So since 2 years I'm working on myself, I'm doing this for myself, I'm starting from the scratch. I was less aware of all these life coaching and all these sessions, but I started with the journey, and now with the consistent habits, here I am becoming a life coach, a healer and psychologist and whatnot. Okay, so if you want to start your journey, because I always heard from mothers that they are not getting the respect, the value, the love, care, appreciation from the family members. Why it is happening? Because you yourself are not giving the same love, care, value, respect, appreciation, because you are just staying in the home. This is tormenting your mind, and this is what lowering your standards and values of life. Now is the time to raise it. Respect is not, you already know it, respect is not demanded, it should be commanded, right? So create own respect for yourself, start loving yourself. And how can you do that? By doing something consistently for you, for creating that time of 30 minutes where you can write your goals, dreams, desires which you want to see yourself getting fulfilled in the next few years. This is what I'm doing in the consistency coming workshop, which is starting from the 16th Jan, and last 1 to 2 days are remaining to enroll for it. Otherwise it will be turned into the recorded session, because in the live session you can personally ask me questions and answers. That will not happen in the recorded session. So this is the time to change your life and to enroll for the workshop. See you there in the workshop. I'm very excited and I'm very happy that you are taking this step for yourself and you are investing in yourself, because you are knowing your self-worth. And that's where self-love starts. Bye-bye.